السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. ازيكم يا شباب؟ عاملين ايه؟ معاكم محمد عيد من قناة جيم كويست، والنهاردة بسجل لكم اول حلقة بقى من حلقات Red Dead Redemption 1. اللعبة زي ما كنا عارفها زي ما كنا عرفنا كان نزل لها زي، انا مش قادر اسميه قوي بصراحة، برضو ريماستر، بس هو ريماستر ان هي تشتغل على اجهزة الجيل الحالي، ونزلت على خدمة البي اس بلس. فانا كنت وعدتكم ان انا هعمل ميكس ما بين العاب حديثة شوية والعاب نوستالجيا، بحيث ان احنا يعني كل واحد بيبقى، انتوا عارفين هي مسألة ذوقية، في ناس بتحب كذا، في ناس بتحب كذا. فبصراحة انا من عشاق طبعا Red Dead Redemption 2. يعني لعبتها كذا مرة، فالواحد كان ليه ارتباط، يعني عايز يجرب، لان انتوا عارفين ان هي الجزء الاول Red Dead Redemption 1 هي التكملة بتاعتها، يعني بريكول بتاعها. فاحنا قلت خلينا نبتدي مع بعض ونشوف. انا عارف ان هي اللعبة ليها عشاق كتير يعني، وانا واحد منهم. طيب ده لسه اللعبة في الاول خالص، هي بتقول لنا يعني دي الاتفاقية وكده. هقول له نيكست. برضو طبعا احنا مش هنقعد نقرا كل الكلام ده، بس احنا موافقين على اي حاجة منكم يا روك ستار. اوكي، هيلث وارنينج، اوكي ماشي. طيب نشوف السيتنج بتاعتها بتقول لنا ايه. جولدن جانز، ايه ده؟ اوبشنز، ماشي. اوبشنز، اوتو سيف اون. ايه جولدن جانز دي يعني؟ مش فاهم. ما علينا، خليها اوف لغاية ما نشوف جيم بلاي. كنترول، فايبريشن، اوتو سنتر، نورمال، تارجتنج مود، نورمال، اكسبرت، كاجوال، نورمال. خليها نورمال. طيب اوديو، ساوند افكت، اوكي. هيدفون اون. احنا بنلعب بسماعات طبعا، فعشان ناخد اعلى ايه برايتنس، اوكي. ديسبلاي، برايتنس، كونتراست، ممكن احب اعلي كونتراست هنا. كيل افكت، سبتايتلز، ماشي. يلا على السريع كده الماب. ايه ده؟ احنا المفروض ايه؟ لا تمام. يلا، ليه؟ لا نورمال. مع ان انا ما افتكرش ان Red Dead Redemption 2 اصلا كان فيها difficulty يعني، بس اوكي نورمال. Red Dead Redemption save couldn't be found. What you would like to do? Continue auto save, create a new save couldn't be found. ايوه ماشي، ما continue without saving, create a new save game. اوكي. This game uses OTC features which is only by default. You may turn it off. لا عايزين نشوف الأخ جون مارستون. طب والله الريماستر بتاعها مش وحش، شغال يعني. جون مارستون ده بعد بقى Red Dead Redemption 2 في عربية. مين دول؟ قابضين عليه دول ولا ايه؟ سامعين المزيكا بتاعت الغرب الامريكي بقى. ماشي.
That they are finally bringing civilization to this savage land.
I could not agree with you more, my dear. My daddy settled this land.
الأخ جون مارستون بيلمع أوكر رامي ودنه معاهم.
Yes, they've lost their land, but they've gained access to heaven.
But Father, do you mean unless an innocent receives communion, they're destined to go to hell? It hardly seems fair.
What I mean to say, Jenny, is that there is a great deal of difference between an innocent and a savage.
I never thought of it that way.
Yes, they lived like animals, but they're happier now.
Not only do people now live in cars, Father, but I heard that pretty soon we will be able to fly.
No, only angels can fly, Jenny.
No, apparently people can fly. Didn't you hear? Out in Kansas, a man even got a car to fly.
I hardly think so, Jenny.
والله الريماستر انا شايفه مش وحش يعني على فكرة، يعني شغال يعني بالنسبة للعبة. باين نازلة 2013 باين حاجة زي كده، ولا ممكن قبل كده، والله مش فاكر. اللي فاكر يصحح لي المعلومة يعني. شغال. هو حسن الكواليتي بتاع الصورة.
John's family have made a lot of money, and he has a lot of friends in politics.
Mrs. Bush, money isn't everything. There are many things that money cannot buy.
It seems that money can buy voters, though.
What you must remember, my dear, is that we have been brought here to spread the word. And the word and civilization, they are the same thing. They are the gifts. It is the opportunity we have, the chance to live among people who are decent and who do not kill each other, and who let you worship in peace.
It's so confusing, Father. Sometimes I find it impossible to make the distinction between a loving act and a hateful one. I mean, they often seem to be the same thing.
Yes, Jenny,
بيلمع
it
أوكر
is
خالص
confusing,
اهو.
but you only have to ask me if you need help.
Indeed.
Well, here we are, Mrs. Bush. Armadillo.
Go to the salon. طب على فكرة الحركة بتاعتها والله مش وحش يعني، طبعا مش زي ريد ريديمشن 2 طبعا 100%، بس حلوة يعني لوقتها. ماشي. مالك؟ خد بس اقولك. ماشي. ده مين ده؟ ده انكل؟ لا لا لا
Friends from Blackwater hired me to guide you.
لا
Hey, my friends. I'm pleased to meet you, Jake.
I got the horses saddled up and ready out front.
Well, I never did.
I'd steer clear of Pleasant's house if I were you. Fantastic.
But here, let's mount up and hit the trail. Easy on the spurs now. We don't need to draw undue attention.
Mighty fine.
You got a problem with that saddle, Mr. Marston?
يا عم معلش.
If you say so.
Let's go.
Are you planning on spending any time in Armadillo, Mr. Marston?
I doubt it. I ain't planning on staying very long.
Well, if you're fixing...
ومش احنا شغلنا السبتايتلز يعني. لحظة. display brightness subtitles.
Some female company. You can do a lot worse than Armadillo. Fine as green gravy they are. Not like Cleve's Landing. Dang, those girls ain't even fit for a drinking man to hold up with.
I'm a married man, I'm afraid.
Ain't we all? Yeah. So it was the marshal who hired me. Lee Johnson. Do you know him?
I think I heard his name.
Says he got a telegram from some Blackwater big bugs asking for a guide. I guess it's none of my business.
That's right.
You ain't very talkative, are you?
Nope.
I'm just chewing the dog, mister. It's how I am. I don't mean nothing by it.
Trust me. There's things you better off not knowing.
Giddy up. You don't look much like no Blackwater fella.
That's because I ain't.
If I'm being honest, I don't care much for those highfalutin big city types. Not much at all.
Blackwater ain't much of a city. More of a town with delusions, but no, me neither.
سامعين صوت جون مارسون عامل ازاي يعني بصراحة يعني.
A fella told me he was out in Blackwater a few
على
months
وضعه.
back and saw one of them newfangled carriages without horses.
Is that so?
Hey, you wind them up like a clock. Damnedest thing ye ever saw without the aid of liquor, he told me.
Times are changing fast. That's for sure.
So who's this friend you're looking for?
Nobody you need to concern yourself with.
Never you mind all my questions, Mr. Marston. I just reckon you might be barking at a knot heading for the fort.
We'll see when we get there.
Well, I sure as hell ain't sticking around. Fort Mercer ain't no place for an old man like me to be a dawdling around. Yeah, yeah.
Come on.
Damn coyotes. What a waste of good meat.
عايزين واحدة ريماستر بقى لريد ديد ريديمشن 2. يعني بصوا دي اصلا الكواليتي بتاع الصورة بتاعتها بقى حلو ازاي. ما بالك بقى ريد ديد ريديمشن 2.
Listen, mister. This here's what's left of Fort Mercer. Some gang rode in and took the place over.
So I understand.
This is where we part ways, friend. You have yourself a good time.
حرص يا جون. مشي وسابك. بس يعني انا عاجبني بصراحة الكواليتي بتاع الصورة بقى حلو. لو ريد ديد ريديمشن 2 حصل فيها القصة دي بصراحة هتبقى في حتة تانية بقى خلاص يعني. يعني لو نزل لها تحديث للجيل الجديد و60 فريم وتشتغل بنفس النعومة كده
Bill! Bill, I've come for you! Bill Williamson! Come out here right now!
Go away now, John. Don't make me kill you.
Nobody needs to kill anyone, Bill.
ده انت قلبك ميت.
You must think I was born yesterday. You always did think I was an idiot.
That ain't fair, Bill. You were as my brother. I've come to try to save you.
Oh. Do I look like I need saving?
Bill, please. They want to kill us all. I can help you.
Well, you never tried to save me before. You only seemed to save yourself.
Bill, I implore you think about this.
You implore me? You implore me. You always were one for fancy words. Oh. Well, things are different now, John. Now I'm in charge. No more Dutch. And no more you. Implores. I implores you to go back and tell them to send someone just a little bit more impressive next time.
Well?
Oh. Poor
ايه ده؟ انت يعني يا جون لازم ده نسر هينزل ياكلك، مستنيك تموت. انت يعني لازم تعمل فيها بطل يعني. 3. انا مش فاكر بيل ده، عايز ابقى ابص عليه افتكره يعني. The government boy. اوكي يلا يا عم
Well,
جون.
you're alive.
الحمد لله على السلامة.
So it would seem.
So, how do you feel?
I don't know the polite word for it.
I do. Stupid is the word we use around here. What were you doing?
I was doing something stupid.
Well, you'll be okay. Once you didn't die, the doctor said you'd be fine. He got the bullets out a couple days ago.
Good.
It cost us $15.
I'm sorry, madam.
Oh.
Should have left me there.
توتو
to
على
die.
كبوته.
Did you want to die? I mean, was that it? Was that why you went straight out to Fort Mercer and picked a fight with the worst bandit in the county? To die, Mr.
Mr. Marston. John Marston.
Bonnie McFarlane.
جون
Miss
مارس.
Bonnie McFarlane.
Well, you may be right, Miss McFarland.
بوني.
I don't know.
So what were you doing?
Just trying to give Mr. Williamson a chance. For old time's sake.
You know Bill Williamson?
Knew him. Long time ago.
Well, what was he like?
Dumb.
Just like you.
Thank you, miss. See my hat?
I have. And, what will you do now?
Now I'm gonna take my time and go after him the less kind way.
Well, that sounds very fun, Mr. Marston. Quite heroic, just like in those penny dreadfuls my brother used to read. Meanwhile, if you'll excuse me, I've got a ranch to run. Of course, if you're feeling better, why not take a ride with me later? Help me patrol the perimeter. You can earn back some of that money we wasted on doctor's bills.
Of course. And thank you
ماشي وماله.
for saving my life, I mean.
Next time, Mr. Marston, I strongly recommend you don't try to lose it quite so earnestly.
I'll bear that in mind.
بس يا عم جون علشان انت مريض. لو روك ستار يا جماعة تعمل لنا والله الريماستر لريد ديد ريديمشن 2 يا، لان طبعا انا حاسس فعلا باختلاف جامد، بس الكواليتي بتاع الصورة يعني بعيدا عن اي انيميشن واي مؤثرات في الجرافيك والكلام ده عاجبني يعني هي كفايه ان هي في الاول في الاخر معمول لها ريماستر يعني، بس وهي قديمه جدا يعني ريد ديد ريديمشن 1 يعني. طب ما بينطش وشال ايده من على الجرح على طول كده في ثواني؟ ما بيجريش، لا بيجري يعني. هنا شكلنا مش هنقول يا تفاصيلك يا روك ستار ولا ايه؟ شال ايده من على الجرح كان لسه ماشي.
Mr. Marston, back in the land of the living, I see.
Figured it's about time I
الحمد
started
لله
paying back
فضل ونعمة.
that $15.
Well, no time to waste. The horses are saddled up over here.
يلا طيب.
There's the foreman's office. It's also where we lock up good-for-nothing outlaws, such as yourself.
I'm happy enough with my current quarters right now, Miss McFarland.
Okay, let's see if you can still ride a horse. Let's make a tour of the ranch so you can
مسك
get your
جنبه
bearings.
دلوقتي.
To your right is the general store. You won't find Parisian high fashion, but it's good for the essentials.
Very convenient. I don't think I've ever seen a ranch with its own store before.
طب كان
And
عايز
here's the
ابص
corral.
ثواني ثواني.
What do you think? Yeah!
Come on!
That's the train station. Things sure have changed since the line finally got finished. Come on, Mr. Marston, pick up the pace. Giddy up! This way! Where are you going, you strange man? Easy now. Try to keep up, will you?
Come!
I don't have time to be waiting around.
حاضر حاضر، انا لسه بستكشف المكان معلش. وبعدين بقى ويت
Do you even know where
يلا
you're going?
Let's go.
ويت.
That's the barn over there. Paul built it himself when I was just a little girl.
Yeah!
Come on, boys. And here we are, back at the house. Let's stop for a while before we head out on patrol.
You'll get no complaints from me, Miss McFarland.
cold drink, Mr. Marston.
Thank you, ma'am. Getting shot, then riding a horse seems to take it out of you. I could use a rest.
Sure. Come on in. I'll show you the house, and then you can sit for a while.
Thank you.
Mr. Marston,
Miss McFarland.
remember me telling you about the trouble we've been having with rustlers and other undesirables?
I do.
Will you help me keep watch on the property line this evening?
Sure.
I want to see just who is trespassing on our land.
This is a fine weapon.
Come, let's head out. The country is really beautiful at around this time. Come on, then. Let's mount up and take a look around.
ابيجيل وجاك مارسون فين؟
Let's go. Keep your eyes open and try not to get yourself shot again.
ما خلاص بقى هتمسكيها لنا زلة بقى.
Thank you,
يلا.
Mr. Marston. I feel a lot happier
Company
someone's along with me.
I feel a lot happier now I got a rifle.
Well, with your trigger itch and my feminine intuition, we should make quite a team. I don't believe it. Those damn rabbits are back. Give me a hand with them, will you?
Whoa!
Let's see that rifle. I want a couple of these for the pop. You're better at shooting rabbits than outlaws, I see. Thank you, Mr. Marston. Looks like we'll be having rabbit stew tomorrow. Let's mount up and patrol the rest of the property. We should keep moving. There's still a ways to go.
Go!
If it's not the rustlers stealing our cattle, it's the rabbits stealing our crops.
It ain't never easy living off the land like this. Maybe you should move to a big city. Become a lady of leisure.
Was that a coyote? Get those pests before they scare the livestock. That coyote won't be back. Come on, they're headed for the chicken coop.
Let's go!
That's it! Damn coyote! Yes, I got one! Good shoot, Mr. Marston. Well, we got rid of the coyotes. I just wish we'd saved all the chickens. Come on, I'll show you the way to your room.
أي خدمة
You know,
خلصتلك
you can
عليهم
actually
كلهم.
handle a rifle.
It's something I've had a little experience in.
Maybe
عيب
Bill
عليكي.
Williamson did get lucky after all.
Luck didn't really come into it, miss.
You're a useful man to have around the ranch, that's for sure. But don't think I've forgotten what brought
انتي
you
ما
here.
تعرفيش
We'll do
السجل
whatever we
الإجرامي
can to
بتاعنا
help you.
حضرتك
I
يعني.
sure appreciate that, Miss McFarland.
This is you, Mr. Marston. Thank you for your help, Mr. Marston. Makes me kind of happy I saved your life. Get some sleep and I will see you in the morning.
Good night, Miss McFarland.
ماشي. You can sleep in the bed in your room to save your game. حلو. If you sleep you will wake up 6 hours later. ماشي. You can also pick extra ammo from your trunk in ماشي. عندنا لبس تاني غير ده؟ حلو. Go to speak with Bunny. ماشي.
I'd advise you to hold still, partner.
But shooting ain't necessary.
احنا بنتكلم مع الناس ازاي؟
Those bandits getting more bold, getting closer to the borders of town.
Well, I'll be damned. Bye now.
Bye now. Howdy. That miracle tonic makes your chestnuts bleed. Better watch it.
ماشي، يعني ده دلوقتي البيت بتاعنا مؤقتا. هنروح لميس بوني.
Oh, Mr. Marston. How are you doing today?
I'm well, Miss McFarland. Thank you. How are you?
Well, I'm fine. Thank you. So, how are your ribs?
Fine. A little sore, but apart from a couple extra scars, it'll be as nothing happened.
Good. Come in, come in. You know, you never did tell me how you met that Bill Williamson or what you wanted from him.
No, miss, I did not.
Well, why not, if you don't mind me asking?
I certainly don't mind you asking if you don't mind me not telling. See, it's a complicated and somewhat pathetic tale, and by telling you, not only will I be putting your life in danger, but also threatening the lives of some people that I hold very dear.
Well, I apologize if I seem to be prying.
And I apologize for my reticence. Hope you believe me when I say that it's simply out of respect for you.
Of course, Mr. Marston. I understand that a city dweller such as yourself likes to have some exotic secrets, so us country folk are impressed.
I'm no city man, miss.
Yeah, but I saw you get on the train at Blackwater. You with those gentlemen in bowler hats?
I'm still no city man.
But I bet you can't ride, Mr. Marston.
I hate to take money from a lady, miss.
Oh, you won't be. I'll race you right now.
If it makes you happy.
We'll see. All right, I'll show you how we ride round these parts.
Hello there.
Yeah!
Come on.
يلا تجري يا اسطى. هنسابقها بقى يلا.
On the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, go! I trust you're not gonna be a gentleman about this.
You don't know me at all, Miss McFarland. Oh shit, damn.
ايه ده ايه ده ايه ده ايه ده ايه ده؟
Come on.
انت حصان تعبان في دماغك وحد يجي جنبك.
This is crap.
ماله؟
Yeah. Come on.
هضربك بالنار والله موتك. ايه ده؟
On the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, go! I trust you're not gonna be a gentleman about this!
Come!
اصلا ده بيتعب بسرعة جدا. بصراحة حركة الحصان مضحكة يعني.
Let's go!
طبعا هي فلقت.
Go!
احنا عايزين نخلص السباق المعفن ده.
Let's go! Let's go! Whoa there!
ما خلاص في ايه وايه كل السباق ده يعني. وبعدين الراجل لسه مريض قايم كان مضروب بالنار، فما تاخدوش كده تعملي عليه نمرة. مديانا حصان تعبان. ايه كل السباق ده بجد يعني، في ايه والله. يا ريت ما يخلوهاش نعيده تاني وهي اللي كسبت، مفيش اي مشكلة. الف مبروك لحضرتك.
That was fun.
Sure.
You know, you should go pay the marshal a visit in Armadillo sometime. I'm sure he could help you deal with that nice Mr. Williamson.
Yeah, I might just do that, Miss McFarland.
You do whatever you think's best, Mr. Marston. Mr. Marston, how are you?
Good, Miss McFarland. How are you?
I'm well. Would you mind riding with me to Armadillo? I've got to get some supplies and I could do with the company.
Of course.
You can take the reins. It wouldn't do for a terrifying bounty hunter such as yourself to be seen driven around by a woman. Take the reins, Mr. Marston. What exactly are you waiting for? You're looking much better, considering you were almost buzzard food a couple days ago.
I have you to thank for that, miss.
So do tell me, have you needlessly risked your life since we last spoke?
No, miss, I have not.
Well, that's a relief. Perhaps there's hope for you yet.
I wouldn't bet on it.
Oh, there's always hope, Mr. Marston. You can't be a rancher in this kind of country if you don't believe that.
An admirable attitude, miss.
I suppose so. I can't think of any other way to stay sane, to be frank. What about you? Have you ever given up hope altogether?
Hope hasn't really entered into it. It's not really something I think about.
A peculiar outlook. I can't really say I understand you.
I can't always say I do either.
Oh, don't be so deliberately enigmatic.
I'm not, miss.
Yes, you are. You are being deliberately obscure as a substitute for having a personality.
I just know there are two theories to arguing with women, and neither one works.
I'm not even going to dignify that gibberish with a response. You never did tell me where you live.
I have a small holding up at Great Plains.
A farmer? Yeah, and I'm the Queen of England. And at what point during your day of hunting down outlaws do you find time to raise chickens?
Only been at it 3 years or so. I guess I'm kind of new to it.
You're telling me? So who's looking after this farm of yours right now?
Uncle. Well, he's not my uncle, as far as I know. Just an old dog who's as lazy as a lizard on a hot day. The kind of fella laboring under the delusion that age brings wisdom.
Sounds like the perfect person to leave in charge of your entire livelihood.
Go way back. And I didn't have a lot of choice.
I'd be getting back there if I was you.
That's what I'm trying to do, miss.
ما كانت بتسيبها ايوه دي غير Red Dead Redemption 2. اخدت بالي من ايه؟ ثواني. Western A map of Western Border State 1910 حسب ما افتكر.
How well do you know New Austin?
I don't. We talked about coming down here many times, but never made it.
Who's we?
Me and the folks I used to work with. Yeah, New Austin. The last real outlaw country. Where the old ways still hold true. Do a man wrong, he'll shoot you for it. Do a man right? Well, he still may shoot you for it, but at least you have an idea of what's right and what's wrong here.
Dear, oh dear, Mr. Marston. What dreadful novel did you get that romanticized dribble out of? The wagon's not built for these horse trails. Those days are long gone, if they were ever here at all. According to Paul, those days were just people shooting each other because they lost at cards. Can we try to stay on the road?
بطلي رغي.
We'll be lucky if our ranch survives another 5 years. Businessmen are the new cowboys.
ريقك من ساعة ما
Howdy. How are you, ma'am? So this is Armadillo. Manhattan it is not, but it does okay for us. Most important thing for you right now is getting yourself into Dr. Johnson's office to purchase some medicine. The first one's on me.
Thank you, miss. I'll pay you back.
I'm sure you shall. The doc's a good fellow. He saved your life, so be polite to him. Meet me in front of the general store when you're done.
How good it is to see you.
ده الدكتور اللي saved our life وهي بتقول لنا be polite to him. التزم الأدب. التزم الأدب يا ولد.
Excellent to see you today.
Some medicine.
Finally come to get that bullet out your leg.
ماشي هات يا دكتور. باي.
Any meds, laudanum, adrenaline, or pills? Come
Much
see me.
obliged.
odd fellow's rest. It could be awfully convenient that they install telephones next door to the brothel.
Well, look at you. Well, thanks for driving me. It was nice to be able to enjoy the view for once, and a little company never hurts now and again.
You're more than welcome, miss. Least I can do. Thank you for the medicine.
Why don't you have a look around Armadillo? You can always take the stagecoach back to the ranch later.
I might just do that. Travel safely, miss.
طالبة معاك انتي
Try
فرهضة.
not to get yourself shot. I won't be around to save you this time.
ماشي يا حبيبي. انت عايز تسيب الحتة دي اسمها أرفيل باين. ماشي، احنا ممكن نتجول هنا شوية. البيت بتاعنا ايه ده؟
How do you do?
Which homosexual repent unto me? I urge you, brother, you are not serving your creed, you mean.
I swear, terribly.
بكر ايه ونيلة ايه بس دلوقتي؟ ايوه ده مش دي اوتيل باين؟
Excuse me, mister.
You need a wet nurse, boy.
If my daddy had hurried up and died earlier, I might have been able to find a better pursuit.
Interested?
I sure
Slow
hope
it
the
down,
Federals
will
take
ya?
over so I can put my feet up.
I heard that.
مش عايزين نعمل مشاكل من اولها علشان مش عايزين الاونر بتاعنا يقل.
The marshal pays good. That's the one.
فايه ما بتجبرنيش ان انا اطلع مسدسي. احنا معناش فلوس اصلا، احنا ما حلتناش حاجة. ماشي يعني هنبتدي بقى نكافح من تحت
Look where
الصفر.
you're going.
That ain't polite.
البت دي مشيت وسابتنا ليه يعني؟ مش فاهم. انا خلي بالك من نفسك، متجيليش مضروب مساح في دمك زي المرة اللي فاتت. مينفعش انام هنا كده، ارمي جتتي في اي حتة. كل ده عشان الدرج يطلع فاضي في الاخر. ماشي.
You were raised on sour milk.
Oh, really?
The only reason to do this job is the free folks you get down at the whorehouse.
And you will curse your enemy.
Jacob Austin?
مفيش سيف. ايوه كده ماشي، ده اوتو سيف. ايوه طيب، ودينا انطلقنا في رحلتنا مع Red Dead Redemption 1 مع جون مارستون. واول حلقة كده كنا بنشوف الدنيا ايه وبنتعرف عليهم انا عجبني الى حد ما الريماستر اللي اتعمل، يعني الكواليتي بتاع الصورة اتحسن، يعني ده اوفر اول، بس مفيش حاجة اكتر من الكواليتي والفريم، يعني الدنيا ناعمة خالص زي ما انتوا شايفينها، يعني فريمات حلوة يعني لو شغلت Red Dead Redemption 2 دلوقتي لما نيجي نلف ونتحرك لا هتحس ان بتقطع، ان في فليكرين كده شويه، في تقطيعه يعني مش او هنقول يعني مش سموث كده، يعني مش سموث في الحركه. طبعا يعني هي كتر خيرها، هي 30 فريم دي لو تعمل لها انهانسنج كده للصوره او ريماستر هتروح في حته ثانيه خالص بقى، يعني اللي خلاها كده ومعلمه على حاجات كتير قوي. عموما مش هطول عليكم، وان شاء الله نتقابل مع بعض الحلقة التانية، وعامل لكم برضو سلسلة تختيم لحاجة برضو خليها مفاجأة أول ما تنزل الحلقة بتاعتها، علشان كده يبقى معانا افاتار فور تيرز اوف باندورا و ريد ديد ريديمشن 1، وفاضل حاجتين نمشي معاهم كده بالتوازي، دي شوية ودي شوية ودي شوية، واللي يعجبكم بقى، اللي بيحب كده واللي بيحب كده. انا بصراحة بحبهم كلهم، يعني اللي بيحب كله معاك الدنيا كلها. يلا اشوفكم الحلقة الجاية، ما تنسوش اللايك والسبسكرايب علشان ان شاء الله نقدر نكمل الرحلة مع بعض. يلا سلام.